Dear students, in this section we are going to learn how to write the equation of simple harmonic motion in different situations. We know displacement is always measured away from the mean position. Suppose a particle is oscillating, or you can say performing SHM between two limits, that is the positive amplitude plus A and negative amplitude minus A, and O is the mean position. You know, at the mean position particle is at the stable equilibrium condition, that is net force acting on the particle at this condition, or you can say this situation, should be equal to 0. That means the speed of the particle at point O should be 0, and we always assign position of the particle, oscillating particle, with respect to this particular position, that is the mean position. If you take one direction as positive, opposite to that direction should be taken as negative. Now, we know the speed of the particle decreases as it moves away from the mean position. That means the acceleration on the particle should act toward the mean position. Because of this acceleration, particle speed becomes 0 at the amplitude position while it moves from O to A. So, we can make the direction of the acceleration vector like this. Now, we know the equation of SHM, that is the general equation of SHM, that is equal to x equal to A sin omega t plus phi naught. And we know this omega t plus phi naught is the phase of oscillation. And if we substitute t equal to 0, the phase of oscillation becomes phi naught. That is called the initial phase. You can follow the diagram. Particle may start oscillating from O, that is the mean position, or you can say from the amplitude position, that is plus A or minus A, or between any position on this line. For writing the equation of SHM, we need to find the phi naught value, that is the initial phase of oscillation. So, in this section we will learn how to find the initial phase, that is phi naught. So, let us take situation number 1. In situation number 1, particle start SHM from O and moving toward positive amplitude direction. You can follow this diagram. Here you can observe particle is starting from mean position and moving toward the positive displacement direction. Okay, and we know any SHM can be transferred, or any SHM can be represented in the circular motion. And in case of the circular motion, the radius of the circle should be equal to the amplitude of the oscillation. So, let us draw a circle of radius A, right? And here we need to make the position of the particle at t equal to 0 on the circle diameter. So, here you can observe this particle is starting oscillation from O. That means the corresponding position of the point, that is the oscillating point, should be here and pointing in the upward direction like this. Now, this is t equal to 0, and the position of the particle on the circle should be here, because we know this particle is displacing the positive x direction. That means the motion of the particle should be on the circular motion in the counterclockwise sense like this. Now, we know the general equation of SHM, that is x equal to A sin omega t plus phi naught, and we know this phi naught is the initial phase. And for finding the phase, what we need to do? We need to join the point on the circle to the center of the circle and find the angular position of that line. So, we need to join this point, that is the corresponding position of the oscillating particle on the circle with the center of the circle like this. You can observe this red line is making angle 0 degree with respect to the positive x direction. So, we can say the initial phase of this oscillation equal to 0. It means we need to put 0 in place of phi naught. That means the equation of SHM in this condition equal to A sin omega t. Now, let us take situation number 2. In situation number 2, let us move the particle in the negative amplitude direction. It is start oscillating from mean position and moving toward the negative amplitude direction like this. Again, What we need to do? We need to draw a circle of radius a, that is the amplitude of the oscillation. And here the corresponding position we need to draw. The corresponding position should be here, and you can observe the direction of the arrow in the downward direction, because this particle is moving toward the negative amplitude side. This is the negative amplitude minus a, and this is plus a. So this arrow is pointing in the downward direction. So now our task to find the position corresponding to the circle. It may be here or here, but we need to make the anti-clockwise direction, that is the counterclockwise direction. That means the corresponding position should be here, this, and particle start rotating from this position in the counterclockwise direction like this. Now this is the corresponding position of the point. For finding the phase, what we need to do? We need to join this point with the center of the circle like this, and this is the phase of oscillation, that is the initial phase, and this is equal to pi. Now we know the general equation. The same situation repeats now. X equal to a sine omega t plus phi naught, and this is the initial phase, and that is pi. That means we need to substitute pi in place of phi naught. So equation of SHM equal to a sine omega t plus pi, and you know this term can be written as minus a sine omega t. So this is the equation of oscillating particle when it start oscillating from mean position and moving toward the negative amplitude direction. Now let us take third situation. In third situation, the particle start SHM from the positive amplitude position and moving toward the mean position like this. Again we need to repeat same process. What? We need to draw a circle of radius capital A. Now you know at t equal to 0, particle is located at the positive amplitude plus a position. So here in the circle, top position will be the positive amplitude plus a, and bottom position is the negative amplitude minus a. So this is the initial position. In this situation, the corresponding position of the point on the circle will coincide with the initial position that is oscillating. So here is the position of the particle on the circle here. Again, for finding the initial phase, what we need to do? We need to join this point with the center of the circle like this, and this angle measured in the counterclockwise sense, that is pi by 2, that is initial phase of the particle equal to pi by 2. Now what we need to do? Again we need to write the equation of SHM, that is x equal to a sine omega t plus phi naught. Here is the value of the initial phase, that is equal to pi by 2. So equation of SHM is now x equal to a sine omega t plus pi by 2. We know this term can be written as a cos omega t. So this is the equation of SHM when particle start oscillating from the positive amplitude position. Now let us take one more situation, that is situation number 4. In this situation, particle start oscillating from negative amplitude position and moving toward mean position, that is O, like this. Here also we need to repeat the same steps, that is we need to first make a circle of radius a. Here you can observe, and you can observe in this diagram, this particle start oscillating from the negative amplitude position, and in this circle in vertical diameter, the top point is the positive amplitude position and bottom point is the negative amplitude position. That means the corresponding position of the point should be at the bottom point here. So this is the position of the particle, and position of the particle on the circle will coincide again here. And for finding the phase, what we need to do? We need to find the angular position of this red dot with respect to the positive x direction. So for finding the angular position, we need to join this red dot from the center of the circle, and this is the initial phase, that is 3 pi by 2. Now we got the initial phase, same steps to be repeated now. That is the equation of SHM, that is the general equation of SHM, that is x equal to a sin omega t plus phi naught. And this phi naught is the initial phase, that is equal to 3 pi by 2. So now we can substitute the value of 3 pi by 2 in this equation. So equation of SHM equal to x equal to a sin omega t plus 3 pi by 2. Now let us take one more situation, situation number 5. In this situation, the particle starts at x equal to a by 2 and it is moving toward plus a direction and away from the main position like this. So here we need to draw a circle again of radius capital A. Now we need to make the position of the point, that is the oscillating point, on the vertical diameter first. And you can observe here, this is located at a distance a by 2 in the positive displacement direction. So if we draw a vertical diameter, this should be the position of the particle at t equal to 0. You can observe it is also moving toward the plus a direction. So this is the position of the particle. Now we need to make the position of rotation, that is the position of the particle in the circle, that is the corresponding circle. So we need to draw a straight line like this and it is cutting at this point. So this is the corresponding position of the point on the circle. That means in the circular motion, this particle start rotating from this position in the counterclockwise sense. So this is the initial position on the circle. For finding the initial phase, what we need to do? We need to join this point to the center of the circle like this. Let us call this angle as phi naught because of the initial phase. We know this is a by 2. If we draw perpendicular from this point to the x-axis, this should also be a by 2. You can observe this is a right angle triangle. Okay, and in this right angle triangle we can find the value of phi naught. We can use simple trigonometry. We can write sin phi naught equal to a by 2 divided by a, that is equal to 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2, that means phi naught should be equal to pi by 6. So this is the initial phase of oscillation. Now we need to write the general equation again, that is x equal to a sin omega t plus phi naught. Now we can substitute the value of phi naught, that is equal to pi by 6. So equation of SHM, after substituting this value phi naught, becomes x equal to a sin omega t plus pi by 6.
Dear aspirants, Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Physics books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon or Flipkart.